how to make $400 a day, guys, with the conversion pros. Now, I did a video about the plumbers, but this time I want to make a video about carpet cleaning ladies. And I'm going to show you a strategy, guys, that you can earn easy $100 a day if you do this right. If you hustle. I always call you got to hustle, guys. If you want to make the money, it don't come easy. So now I'm going to show you the strategy I'm going to use for the carpet cleaning. But if you go to my channel, you'll see that I did one for the plumbers. So let's go with the carpet cleaning ladies now, guys. All right, check this out. We got different templates you can use, but I'm going to use this template right here. Okay. Now, how I'm going to find my picture, because the title is Carpet Cleaning Ladies, right? So I'm going to show you what I do. I go to Google. I just click on Carpet Cleaning Ladies right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image address right here. Okay. Then I'm going to type it in the URL. Okay. And click next. Okay. Click next again. And this is how it look on the Android like that, or iPhone you have. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Now I got the picture right here that you can see. Let me hide this lantern real quick. Let me close this down so you can see. Now I got to do some ad copy, of course. But this is how the picture look. Okay. Now when I do my ad copy, I'm going to show you what I will do. This is how I get leads. I go to Craigslist. If you watch the first one, I go to Craigslist. And I just type in, and it's from New York right here, guys. I'm from Milwaukee. Last one I did from Milwaukee, but this is New York lady right here with her phone number, and she tell you what she's doing and what she providing, right? So what I'll do is I'll take her ad copy, right, and make her a page. And then I'll call her and let her know that I made her a free capture page, and it's free for two weeks. Check it out. You can make changes if you want, because you got the power to edit it and everything like that, because you part of my marketing system. And I let her know more about things if she definitely upgrade like that. But I'll give her the basics, 2 or 3 minutes phone call real quick, and give her the basics. And if she's interested, to check it out, and then she'll look at the page I made her. All right, guys, let's go with this this ad that what is this capture page I will make her. So let me see. All right, now what I have to do now, guys, is let me go back to the editing mode right here. You want to name it or title it, and then you want to name the page so you know what it is. I just said test carpet, and then you don't have to put no email. So could you make this page for someone? And you upload images right here, guys. I just got this image from right here. All you gotta do is click on that, and then it'll come like that. Okay. Or you can pick another background, whatever you're doing, because we got a lot of images too, guys. Let me show you what we have, because you might not want to do offline business. So we got a lot of different type of business images. The CBD hemp business booming, the Bitcoin booming. Let me show you. So we got a lot of images that you can use. So that's very powerful right there. Okay, close this down. But I just use it from Google right there, because 3 ladies. Because the ad copy said it in Craigslist, right? You can't see it. Let me see if I can raise this up right there. You see? Carpet cleaning ladies. Home cleaning. Okay. Let me go back to the editing mode now. Now this is where you have to really take your time. And I'm just gonna do it real quick for the video purpose. But you have to take your time like that. So when you want to edit the letters and stuff like that right here, you just click on edit button right there. Just hover over it. And then I'm just gonna, matter of fact, what I like doing is, I'm gonna stop editing real quick. I'm gonna delete this real quick because I don't need it. Okay. So I'm gonna edit this right here. No worries, guys. I wanna edit all this delay stuff like this. So I'm just gonna show you how I do it. So let me do some add copy real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna stop editing this right here. I'm gonna change the colors up too, guys, but I'm just gonna do this right now, get everything right. So I'm gonna edit this right here. Okay, what I'm finna do now, guys, I'm finna delete this one right here. I wanna do something different. I wanna edit component right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use all big text for now. I'm gonna add different different ones because you want to she said she, different she do different services. So I was gonna do something big real quick and then I'll downsize it in a minute. That's for one more. That's how you add text, guys. Just go to the edit components right there and you can do small text and stuff like that. For this video purpose, that is easier for me real quick. Okay, now for some more ad copy, what you want to do is go to edit. It's how easy this you can make this stuff, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna complete edit this right here, and I'm gonna delete this right here. Okay, then I want to go to this right here, and I want to edit this right here. Don't worry, guys, I want to dress this up a lot, so I'm just putting the ad copy in now. Okay, now I'm gonna start editing this right here. Then what I want to do is I'm gonna edit this component, and most times you want the phone number and the email and the full name, and you can send them to a thank you page if you don't have a website. But for this video purpose right here, I'm just gonna put anything real quick and click this right here, and then it should go to the first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So I'm just gonna delete this. If you have a social media and you advertise your business a lot, you can use any of these, all of these if you want, or you can use one. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna delete this for this video purpose only. Let me see, delete this. Okay. Now I gotta dress this stuff up to make it look good, right? Well, one more thing I gotta edit real quick, the button. So it says something simple. Click here. Erase this off. Okay. Then you want to make sure you save your work because you might, anything can happen to your computer. It can just go off one, and you just be stuck. Now, when you want to dress a capture page up, let me see something. Let me hide this menu so I can see. Okay, and you could change the color of this background right here of this white to whatever color you want. But this is for test. I'm just showing you what you can do. So when you want to dress something up, you want to look at the colors of the background of the pictures, and you want to make it stand out a little bit too. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Click on style of the button. Okay, I'm gonna test yellow. You just want to test something out, and you can make different. Just copy this page. You can test it out. Okay, then to make the shade a little bit darker, guys, you go text shadow right here. Just play with it a little bit. Then you can put a little spread with it too. Okay, now of course I'll make this bigger text so I can see it better. Let's see, yeah, that's cool right there. Okay, let me do a text shadow. All right. If you want a background, let me show you real quick. If you want like a background, if you just play with different ones. You can choose a background. Just say you want it all black or something to make it pop out like that. You can do that. I kind of like that, so that's good right there. Okay, now of course you got to get all this much smaller. So you want to go to your style again. And you can change with the fonts right here. Let's go Arial Black for now. Try this again. All right. Bigger. Okay, that's good enough. Say you want to go to the carpet cleaning. Now you want to do all this a little bit smaller because it's the service that the ladies offer. So you can go Area Black again. You just want to do it smaller. Okay, that's good enough. And just remember where you stop. Yeah, like that R right there, around that R. And just test them out. You can change the color, yellows if you want. You can change these up, guys. So just test things out. Let me see. Go to the style button. Just take your time really when you get a client like that. This is a test video, guys. I'm going fast just to show you what you can do. Go Arial Black again. It's about to R. Yeah, around there. Okay. Okay. Now, I hope y'all see what I'm doing right here. I'm changing everything to Arial Black, and I'm putting everything by the R right here, so I know it's about the same size right there. And then while you're doing this, you can look at the page and see more ideas that you can do. That's what I usually do. Like this idea right here, I want to do this. Matter of fact, this is what you do, guys. When you want the same color, go back to this right here, and you see the color right there. Click on this button down and copy the share code right here. Copy that. So when you go right here, and you want this color to be that color, just click back right here, erase this right here, and then just right click and push paste right there. Of course, got to be darker than that. Play with it until it's right. Good enough for now. Okay. And then we'll change this number right here. Well, not the number, but the color at least. We'll put it. We got different fonts, so you can do how you want it. I just do Arial Black, make this a little bit smaller, something like that. Okay, and then this is pretty good right here because it's got the color of these ladies' shirts. Okay, and then I'll probably change the button right here. I'll do impact. Okay, make the button a little bigger. Okay, I'll do the background. I want to do the same color that I had above there. So let me see if it's push paste because I still got that thing. Bam. All right, guys. This is how you can make a page way under than 20 minutes, I'm sure. I just had to show you. So let's see if the page works. I'm gonna save my work. Okay, now I'm back at the Conversion Pro. Let me go back to my page builder, the page I just built for the carpet cleaner ladies. Okay, test carpet right there. On get link right here. Copy it, paste it. All right, guys, it's the page I just made for these ladies right here. Uh, very fast. And I just did it real quick, guys. So I could do much better job for sure if I wasn't making a video. But I'm just showing you the things that you can do. So when they put their full name, email, and their phone number, they'll click wherever they want them to go. If they have their own personal website, but most of them probably don't. And you can make them a thank you page. It's very easy. Let me show you that real quick. All you gotta do is type in Google a thank you page, then go to images right here, and then you can just pick any thank you page you want. There's a lot of them, and then all you gotta do is get the image address, and that's it. And last, guys, I'm gonna show you the capture page I made for to get the leads. They'll get this. My team will make you a free capture landing page for any business. Plus, we have over 20 different tools in the back office to help you grow your business. 14-day free trial, no obligation, no credit card required. Yes, I want to learn more about this exciting company and opportunity. They'll put their name, email, and join here. And then I'll get the email. They'll go to my phone because these people actually want me to build them a page. I will build them is something like this, but better when when I'm not making a video about making a page, but I just showed you, you could do this in, very, very fast, guys, if you're not making a video or nothing like that. And it's not just for cleaning, the carpet cleaning ladies. You can do it for carpet cleaning. You can go anywhere in the world, guys, and make people pages, guys. I'm from Milwaukee, and this Craigslist is New York, guys. So you can see all these carpet cleaning people right here, guys. Just talk to 10. You only just got to New York. You can go everywhere. Let me show you guys. You see all this right here, U.S. cities. All this right here. These are your target market that you can go to and find any type of, you might pick three positions, plumbers, carpet machine, cleaning people, to clean janitorial stuff, um, window cleaners, you know, because there's a lot of people that have small business like that. I have a small business outside this online business. I own a janitorial service, so I know what I'm talking about. I mean, I wish I knew this stuff when I first started, you know, and I just learned this stuff about 4 years ago. So, guys, people need this. So, I'm gonna end this video because it's a long video. I hate long videos, so I do a lot of editing. But I hope you get the picture that you can make $400, easy $100 if you do the work by just making people pages. And I got other strategies I can show you too, guys, if you join my team. But you know, we're gonna see. 2020 gonna be powerful, Adrian, because I'm gonna do the work, and I'm gonna teach my team to do the work. All right, guys, stay hungry for 2020. Make that your year. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.